In a tiny house on Maple Street lived Milo the mouse. Small, clever, and always hungry. And of course, Whiskers the cat. Big, fluffy, and absolutely sure he was the world's greatest hunter. One sunny morning, Milo sneaked into the kitchen for a tasty piece of cheese. Just as he grabbed it, boom! Whiskers jumped in front of him. Whiskers' proud voice, "Gotcha!" But Milo, he just smiled and said, "Actually, you're standing on your tail." Whiskers looked down, and yes, he was. Funny slip sound. He yowled, jumped, slipped on the shiny kitchen floor, and slid across the room like a giant, fluffy bowling ball. Milo giggled and even offered him a piece of cheese. Whiskers took it, cheeks red with embarrassment. He said, "I wasn't chasing you. I was, exercising." And from that day on, they made a deal. Milo would share cheese, and Whiskers would stop pretending to be a ninja. And surprisingly, they became the funniest, strangest, best friends in the whole neighborhood.